Good morning, student. Today our 11th standard biology topic is history of classification. Today we see about the continuation of history of classification. After Aristotle, the student Theophrastus continued his research on his classification of plants, and he now the father of botany. Okay, there was a huge gap till the 16th century. Okay, then the English naturalist, the name is called John Ray, in the year of 1627 to 75. Then wrote several important work through his life. Okay? His most important contribution was the life unit of taxonomy, okay? The ultimate unit of taxonomy. Okay? Then in the year of 1682, he published a Methodus Plantarum Nova, which contain about 18,000 plant species as a result of relatively narrow species concept. Okay? His complicated classification was based on many combined characters, that is on opposite of earliest taxonomy. Opposite of John Ray also aimed to publish complete systematic of nature, which included the work of mammals, reptiles, bats, and fishes and insects. The Sweden biologist Carl Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy and founder of the modern systematic developed under scientific systematic of taxonomy, binomial nomenclature, which is still with modification in use. Okay? Aristotle and Linnaeus employed the easily observable single view traits. Aristotle to Linnaeus employed easily observable single to few traits for classification of Vidya, increased the knowledge of the several biological taxonomies. Many characters were considered for classification. Aristotle and Linnaeus employed some of the very easily observable character, take the some of the organism for the classification. Okay? With increased the knowledge of several biological domains, many characters were considered for classifying organisms. Some of the biological scientists observed the many characters were considered the classifying the some organisms. Okay? They represented the basis of classical taxonomy, which was based on the overall similarity or affinity derived from the morphology, anatomy, and embryology of morphology, anatomy, and this of the character was very similarity, and some of the affinities derived from this character. Okay? The modification of the system is the numerical taxonomy, which evolved in the year of 1915. The system evaluated the symbol and difference through the statistical method followed by the computer analysis to establish the numerical degree of relationship among individuals. Okay? Later on, biologically initiated studies and the evolutionary and the genetic relationship among organisms, which led to the emergence of phylogenetic classification of cladists. This is the evolutionary classification based on how the common ancestors were shared. Cladist classification summarizes the genetic difference between the all species in the with the help of phylogeneity. We identify the ancestor character. Okay, Ernst Haeckel introduced the method represent the evolutionary relationship with the help tree diagram. Now the tree type of diagram, that is called clado. This system classification takes account the ancestor character, then trade off the basics of the body design, which could be in the entire group, and trade the character from the wool structure function different from the ancestor character. What are the character? Differ from the ancestor. One or more derived character which appear during the evolution result in the formation of the subspecies. With the help of this type of chart, phylogenetic tree chart, we identify the ancestor character, how the ancestor character are modified into the current days. In a cladogram, each evolutionary step produces a branching, and all the members of the branch would possess the derived character which will not be seen in the organism of the particular branch point. Okay? Arranging the organism on the basic and similar or derived character which differ from the ancestor character produced. Okay? The phylogenetic or cladogram, figure 1.1. Okay? Example of cladogram. Okay? Then shark comes under the vertebrate. The ray, fishes, amphibian, crocodile. But what are the character are evaluated from the ancestor. primates, rabbits having a hair, then amphibian having a amniotic egg, then egg with cells are covered with the egg, then amphibian they are having a 4 limbs, then bony skeleton are having a shark, then it becomes under the vertebrate. Thank you, student. Today homework is history of classification, then Aristotle, contribution of Aristotle and Carl Linnaeus, then what is phylogenetic classification. Thank you, students.